Dear student, I am Madhup Kumar. I am going to explain the second part of the light chapter. In this chapter, we will study the following topics: the human eye, defects of vision, persistence of vision, power of accommodation, care of the eyes, braille system. A student, human eye. Generally, human eye is made by the three layers. The outermost layer, that is formed the cornea. Cornea is the transparent, and inside the cornea there is the second layer. This layer forms ciliary muscles, iris, and suspensory ligament also. Suspensory ligaments attach with the ciliary muscles. This suspensory ligaments holds the lens, that is human lens, that is convex lens. And behind the convex lens there is the innermost layer, that is the third layer, that is called retina. Retina is made by the two type of cells, that is the rod cells and cone cells. And when these different type of cells come out from the eye, they make a optic nerve. Here, a student, iris forms pupil. This is the area through which the light enters on the eye and fall on the retina. The light forms image on the retina, and when the light forms image on the retina, there is a sensation, stimulation in the cells of retina, that is called rod cell and cone cells. Rod cells are responsible for the dim light, and cone cells are responsible for the bright light and colors. And this sensation, that is goes to the brain through the optic nerve, and then brain recognize the image, and then we identify and know the person and know the things and know the object. Here the next topic we have to study, that is the defect of vision. Sometimes we do not see the object or the things clearly. That is called defect. First, we have to study myopia. In myopia, we do not see the object clearly which is situated far away from us, because the image forms before the retina. So we can't see, or the person can't see clearly the object. For the correction of this defect, the doctor provides us the spectacles made up of concave lens. Second, we have to study the defect that is called hypermetropia. Generally, in hypermetropia, we do not see the object clearly which is situated very near to us. In other words, we can say that we can't read the book or newspaper or anything. The reason is that the image forms behind the retina, and for the correction of this, the doctor provides us spectacles made up of convex lens, and by this we can correct the problem. Here you can see this figure given myopia. The first figure is the problem, second is the correction. Second, hypermetropia. First figure is the problem and second figure is the correction. Here, persistence of vision. Here, student, you know that when the image forms on our retina, it stay up to 1/16th second, and within 1/16th second the other image will form on retina. Our brain cannot recognize them and cannot feel them. That is called persistence of vision. and this property is used in the movie. Second, we have to study accommodation. A student, you know that we have to see different type of things. Some things that is situated very near to us and something that is situated far away to us. In both conditions, we have to adjust the focus of our lens. Our lens is flexible and that is controlled by the ciliary muscles. When the ciliary muscles contracts, the suspensory ligaments that is hold the lens, it also contracts. In this way the lens becomes thin and the focus changes, and when the ciliary muscles expand, the suspensory ligament also becomes rest and the lens becomes thick. In this way the focus also change. By this property we can see the object that is situated very near and far to us. This ability of the eye, that is called accommodation of the eye. After that we have to study that how can we care our eye. Eye is the very sensitive organ, so we have to keep care of our eye. First, if there is any problem of the eyes, we have to go to the doctor, and we should not study in very dim light and in very bright light. We should not look the sun directly because the sun has bright light and this bright light can burn the retina also. If any dust particle enters into the eye, we should not rub the eye. We should wash our eye with the water and use the clean handkerchief. We should always read at a normal distance, that is the 25 centimeter, and do not read by keeping the book too close to the eyes or keeping it or too far. We should eat the vitamin A because vitamin A is very good for eyes and it protects from the light blindness. After that, student, we have to study the braille system. Braille system is a system used by visually challenged person, that is the blind person, to read and write. It has 63 dots pattern which represents alphabets, common word and signs. The dots are arranged in cells of two vertical rows of 3 dots each. The dots are raised slightly so that the word can be recognized by the touch. A student, I think you understand this chapter very clearly. Thank you.